student, today we are going to do chapter number 2, whole numbers. So first we must know what is predecessor and what is successor. The number which comes after a number is your successor, and number which comes before your number is your predecessor. Now when we want to find out predecessor and successor, we what is predecessor of 2? Predecessor of 2 is 1. And what is successor of 2? Successor of 2 is 3. Like any other number we can take, like we take 45. What is successor? Successor is 46. What is predecessor? Predecessor is 44. Like that, predecessor and successor of numbers we can find out. Now, what are whole numbers? What are natural numbers? Natural numbers, as I have already told you, natural numbers are the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers are natural numbers, and except 0. And what is whole number? Whole number is including 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and like that. Now what is number line? Number line is a line we make to find out the numbers. It's in counting numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these should be the equal distance, same distance इसमें होना चाहिए. Now whatever numbers is coming successor and predecessor, how we'll find with number line. Now we want to find a successor of 4 through number line. The successor of 4 is 5 because the number immediately after 4 is 5. And what is the predecessor of 4? Predecessor of 4 is 3 because what numbers comes exactly before 4 is 3. So if you want to find a greater number and a smaller number, we can also find with number line. Like the number which is on the right side of the number line is greater. Means 4 and 7, if you want to compare, so 7 is greater because 7 is on the right side of the number line. A number which is on the left side of the number line is smaller. Like we want to compare 1 and 4. So 1 is smaller than 4 because 1 is on the left side of your number line. Now what we want to add addition on number line. Now what we have a number, we want to find 4 plus 5. Now 4 is there, we want 5 jumps on the right side of the number line. Right side, why right side? Because adding will go right side. Okay, now 5 jumps, 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. We have written 8, 9, 10 like that. So 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump and 5 jump. Adding 4 plus 5 gives us 9. So we'll land up in 9. Now as is same as subtraction. Now we want to subtract 7, 3 from 7. So what will 5 from 7? So what will we do? We'll go 5 jumps to the left side of the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll land up in 2. So our answer is 2. Like that, we want to find a multiplication. 4 into 3. So 3 groups have 3 groups here and 4 jumps. Fine. So what will we do? We'll find 4 into 3, like 2 into 2, like that. We draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So two gaps and 2 jumps. 2 gaps and 2 jumps. We land up in 4. So you already know that 2 into 2 is 4. Like that, you can do any numbers for any numbers like 5 or any numbers like 3 and all that. Like see, we take another example. We'll draw a number line and we want to calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We want to calculate 3 into 3. So 3 objects and 3 jumps. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. We'll end up in 9. Now exercise, you already know what is a natural number, what is whole number, smallest whole number, which how many numbers are between 32. I have already told you. Now properties of whole number. Properties of whole number, if you add two whole numbers, it will come on as a whole number. Like 7 plus 8 is 15, which is a whole number. 0 plus 15 is 15 is a whole number. If we multiply any two whole numbers, we'll get a whole number. Now we'll subtract. Subtraction is also not is a closure property. Now just we take care of the closure property. If we add 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, like we add 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now what we do in this is in case of addition, but if we subtract 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, but we can't subtract 4 2 from 4 from 2. So the closure property is not applicable to the subtraction. So 8 division also, 8 divided by 4 is 2, which is a whole number. 5 divided by 7, 5 by 7, which is not a whole number, is a fractional number. 6 divided by 5 is also not a whole number, it's a fractional number. Great. Now division of a whole number from a 0 is not defined. This already I have told you. Division when we divide any number by 0, the answer is not a 0, answer is not a 1, answer is not defined. We cannot define a number, we cannot divide a number by 0. Now we come as associative property of addition and multiplication. Associative property is like if we add 2 plus 3, we have 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we can do 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, and then 4 plus 5 plus 4. Now another way to do it is 2 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, 2 plus 7. The answer will come same. So examples you have, add the number by 2 ways. If the answer will come, add the number by 2 ways. So you have to choose which numbers are easy to add. Like that, 7 in the unit digit and 3 in the unit digit will exactly come 0. So you'll find it easy to add by 234. So you can do it that way. Like 14 plus 17 plus 6, you have to add in 2 ways. So you can do by adding 14 to 6, it will come 20, and then you can add to 17. It will come easy because you have to find the ways your calculations to be easy. So like that, in the multiplication also, cost of canteen charges is 20 for a lunch and 4 for a milk. How many in 5 days? So you can, lunch is costing 20 rupees and milk is costing 4 rupees. So you can add both of these and multiply by 5 for 5 days calculation, or you can do like that, 20 into 5, the answer is 100, and 5 other one is 4 into 5, the answer is 20. So you can add 100 into 20. The both ways you can do. This is distributive property. What is distributive property? We distribute one of the number of two multiplying numbers into its expanded form, like 12 into 35. You can do this way also, 12 into 30 plus 5, or I can do another way, 10 plus 2 into 35. So multiply 35 by 10 is 350, multiplying 35 by 2 is 70. So I'll add these two. This is 420. Fine. Now exercise suitable rearrangement. I have already told you. You have to find the ways by which your number come easy, like 837 and 363 you will add, you will get unit digit, and like that 7, this one and this one you will add, and then this one and this one you will add, and both, then you have to add this. Now patterns in the whole number, like dot systems, we have there's an arrangement from the number line 4, then 9 you have to do like this, 3 you have to do like this. Now it's in dot arrangement, pattern observation, and exercise 2.3. I have already told you exercise 2.3. Once again, using a distributive property, let me give you an example. 728 into 101. What we can do is 728 multiplied by 100 plus 1. So 728 can be multiplied by 100, and then 7280 plus 728, and this can be your answer. Hope you don't have any difficulty now. If you have still any difficulty, you can contact me.